Yep.
You're leaning on your seat?
Yep. To come check this thing out. What
Hi, U1320.
Yeah.
Your banner's up in the tent up there. I found it on the return road. Everyone was running over.
Oh, really?
So I rolled it up for
you. Oh, thank you.
you.
What is this? A Ford?
It's a Ford, yeah. A 1922 Commodore.
1922 Commodore.
Yeah, it's a 10 model Ford. They didn't make that many of them.
Yeah, it's so goofy looking. Love it.
Yeah.
The cab's so big, and then it's got the little short front end.
Well, they used to call it the horseless carriage because it's actually like a carriage.
Yeah, it
like
makes a lot of sense.
The horse and cart thing in the middle. Remember the stage coaches?
Yeah.
Same.
What's the motor in here?
Oh, it's a little Windsor. It's got a Mexican block Windsor with 347.
Okay.
Got air conditioning and all that, so electric windows.
It has air conditioning, electric windows.
Yeah, so it can, like it's a street car.
Can I hop in for a lap around the car park?
Yeah, you want to go for a
cruise? I'd love to.
All right.
I've got to experience this thing. Wow, how do you
It's easy to get in. All right, now to get in, it's
Okay.
easy. Stand on the step.
Okay.
That's what they're made for. Put that foot in first. Lean forward. Put that foot in there, and then sit down.
All right. Easy enough. Does she even got a back seat back there?
Oh yeah.
I love all the gauges. What's up top? Is that fuel pressure? Oh, the air fuel. You got an air fuel gauge?
Yeah, that'll work in a minute. I should have waited for it to start up.
Is this your fuel pressure over here?
Nitrous pressure. Fuel pressure's down there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess that'd be good to have over there.
And you turn the pump off and it doesn't have as much. And you just got normal fuel, volts, speedo, temp gauge.
It does have AC, look at that.
And that's a nitrous controller. That's what I come to test today.
Oh.
See how fast we can go with the controller.
So this thing runs mid-10s?
Yeah. I usually slide up to it like an 11.0. And that makes them happy.
Yeah. There's not many cars that you get to sit over the motor.
Yeah, you can actually watch the motor.
That's cool.
Do you want to give it a squirt?
Sure, why not?
No, I'll turn it around.
Yeah.
I'll turn it around here. We'll do a squirt just back there. Are you holding on?
Yep.
Somewhere around here I'll do. I'll just leave it in drive.
Okay.
So it's not so violent. Ready?
Yep.
Hold on. Alright.
You definitely get the top heavy sense of being above the motor. That's such a weird sensation.
So much fun.
Yeah, it is.
If you manually shift it, it actually works a lot better. That's good enough.
Yeah, it's good enough for a passenger ride.
Yep. I know, if you got a helmet and a seatbelt, we put you out there.
Do you know how many of these were made?
This is actually a fiberglass body.
Okay.
And Polyform, it's all hearsay, what I've been told and what I can find out.
Yeah.
Polyform made 6 of them, and he got caught by Ford Motor Company copyright because it was he sold it as a Ford Commodore.
Yep.
So therefore they wanted some money and he had to crush them all, but this one made it out of the States.
No way.
Yeah. So yeah.
So
it's sort of a bit rare and I shouldn't be doing what I do with it.
Yeah.
But then again, when
it's your car.
That's my car, yeah. All right.
Have fun today. Thank you.
Do you want me to hold that? No?
Oh, that's right. leave the camera here. I'm going for a ride in the old Ford. I'm not gonna, I need to hold on with both hands on this thing. All right, here we go. We're going for another ride in the Ford, but this time we're doing a full pass. This should be good. Nice.
I sing to it when I'm racing.
Do you? That's great.
Yeah, no one can hear me bad singing, so it's okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it, hey?
I've never done a wheelie in a car before, I don't think.
Oh, well, I'll just do it in drive.
All right.
I won't do nothing special. No nitrous.
All right.
Sorry.
I can handle it.
I can't.
I can't.
Trust me. Done? You ready?
Yep.
Just a little one. You just gotta lean back on your seat a bit.
Yep, easy enough.
That'll save you breaking my seat.
Oh yeah.
All right?
Yep.
You're leaning on your seat?
Yep.
All right?
Holy.
Happy with that?
Yeah, I would break the seat if I wasn't leaning back.
Yes. All right, we'll do this one for real.
Okay. I like that the fire guy's clapping. That means we're not on fire.
I suppose that's one way of looking at it. I never thought of that. Actually, that's probably the biggest wheel stand we've done today.
That was a good one.
And there was no one else filming it.
It's fine.
Don't matter.
This was the angle that mattered.
That would have 60-footed on the back wheels easy.
Yeah, that was great.
Now we can turn the air conditioner on.
Perfect.
That was a good video, that was. All right.
That was good.
It was the sky.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was.
That was a big wheelie. What was it?
It's a bit slow, 10.7.
Well, I slowed you down a little bit.
Yeah, but hang on, you're in the air a fair bit. Yeah, I know. It's 60-footed on the back wheels at
for sure.
At a 1.6. That's 2/10 off what it should be.
So it's probably 150 something on the
But
front.
it's still a good 330
Yeah.
at 4.3.
I'm sure the extra weight
much you
kicks
weigh?
in 200. Well, I don't know what that is in kilos.
On 200 pound.
1073, 125. That was. So that
you
was
can have
my.
this. You can have this.
Awesome. Thank you.
right.
Appreciate it. That was my quickest pass on a track. Well, drag strip. I went 8.
I could have made it quicker, but I thought you'd rub the wheels in the air.
Oh yeah, no, that was the best part.
No, that was the whole
I've been
idea.
plenty fast before, but I've never been on a wheelie before, so that was.
See, normally if I can pick up the revs of the converter, it will take off nearly level, just pick the wheels and hover for a while.
That's no fun.
But it's quicker.
Yeah, of course.
But I decided you needed that.
That was amazing.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right, you have a nice day now.